we need to find out the similarities between two sequences. Then sequence 1 is taken, and in a red color another sequence, that is sequence 2, is taken. This one is sequence 1 in a red color and the sequence 2 in a black color, right? In what exactly mean by alignment? In alignment process, we are checking what are the bases which are present on particular position. Complementary to that basis, if another nucleotide is present or not, that is checked. If the nucleotide is present with a similar fashion, then they are called as similar sequences. Higher the value of similarities, it is considered that both the sequence are very close to each other. See, as you can see, this is sequence 1 and this is sequence 2. We are going to find out the matching and mismatching. So on the first position adenine is there, while on the first position in sequence 2 thymine is there, so there is a mismatch. Again here thymine is there, here adenine is there, so mismatch. G, A, mismatch. Here cytosine is there and here again cytosine is there, so this is called as matching. Here cytosine, again matching. This is mismatch. CG, that is mismatch. GG, that is match, right? CC, that is match. So you can see in this sequence, this is 1, 2, 3, 4 bases are matched while rest of the bases are mismatched. So based on this matching and mismatching, point is given, and according to those scores, similarity matrices are there. There are several different similarity matrices which will find out which exactly the similarity, what exactly is the similarity between this sequence 1 and this sequence 2. So that was called as a pairwise alignment. Why it is called as a pairwise alignment? Because only two sequences were used. So always the thing in the number 2 are called as pair. So that's why this kind of sequences are called as a pairwise sequence alignment, right? Today we are going to learn about the topic which is called as multiple sequence alignment. What do you mean by multiple sequence alignment? So as I told you every time, just read the word properly, you will get the answer. Sequence alignment we know already. Sequence alignment means checking whether the matching or mismatch is there or not. And multiple sequence alignment means, in multiple sequence alignment we are going to match sequence which are in multiple number. More than 3 number sequences are matched through multiple sequence alignment. So here the sequence 1, 2, 3 and 4 are there, right? All these sequence are matched with each other, so that we will come to the conclusion that whether sequence 1 is closer to 2, 2 is closer to 3, 3 is closer to 4, or 4 is closer to 1, right? On this basis the sequence alignment is done. The method which is used is quite complicated, because in pairwise alignment we are going to align only two sequences, while in multiple sequences, multiple sequence alignment, multiple sequence are being compared with each other. So we need a process which is very fast, right? So those fast processes which are used in multiple sequence alignment are as follows.